Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with the B Kids box. So it's B.E.E.B Kids box. This is a bi-monthly educational subscription box. So this is one, this box here is $49.99. It includes 10 to 12 items and a book, and they're all like STEM-based, teacher-chosen, things that are actually educationally helpful, and there is a 21st century lesson. I don't know exactly what that means. I was looking on their website to try to kind of understand more. We're going to find out together. There is a box that's a little pricier, and that includes like a hat and a shirt and some other items. I will go in depth in my full review with what each subscription entails. And we'll know a little bit more once we open this up. I'm super pumped. It's a big box. And you can also opt, if you don't want to subscribe, you can do a one-time box for $54.99. Like if you want to do a gift or you kind of want to see what's in it before you get your feet in there. But I'm super excited. They sent this over for me to review, and I am going to do a full review on my blog. I'll link to that below. I will also link to them as well. All right, the cat's here. She wants to say hi. All right, so inside, here we go. Do you want to say hi? Come here. I've done this every single video. As soon as it starts, she comes over and she like wants some love. So I don't know what she's looking at up here. All right, now she doesn't want love anymore. She'll leave me alone. All right. So we have here on top what's in this box. So here's what you should know about your smarts. First of all, let me just say that you are smart. I mean super smart in ways that can't be measured or tested in school. I know sometimes it may not seem that way, but it's true. You're smart because of all the skills, talents, interests, and abilities that lie within you. You are super smart, so you might as well wear a cape. See inside box. This box is going to help teach you the skills and strategies to spark your potential and ignite your super smarts. Ready? Now here's the fun. We've included a game or item for each of the 8 intelligences that you love. Pay attention to the items that capture your attention most, as they may be an important clue into your true gifts. So that's really interesting. Here's what, it says here's what you'll discover in this box. Now, this is for 8 to 12-year-olds. I should say that, by the way. I have 2 kids that fall into that category. There's Isabel, who is 9, and then there's Penelope, who's 11. And we're like big at home about like, you know, trying to work your hardest. Penelope's has her own IEP. She's in gifted. So like STEM for us is a big deal, and especially with young girls, and I've said this on my channel before, with girls in math, once they get to upper elementary and then middle school, they tend to fall behind in math. And for us as a family, that's really important that they stay on top of that. And not just them, us as parents, because at school they only do so much. Part of the job as a parent is to make sure that school is doing enough and that you are as a parent, and I take that responsibility very personally. I'm responsible for setting them up for the future. So whenever we have an option to do STEM activities, STEAM activities, whatever, I'm all about that. So anyway, I said that. I said my little piece there. Did my little rant. All right. So this is the parent letter. So this tells you the 8 types of intelligence. There's linguistic. Both my girls are lingually very intelligent. My other daughter was tested. I'm just going to be open about this right now on my channel. Why not? Both my girls have been tested for gifted. My oldest, Penelope, was tested once, got into gifted. My Isabel was tested twice, never got into gifted. They give you this really long report. I know it varies from state to state because it's state run. So her linguistic is always out of the park. And the other things like spatial, that's where I failed as a young person taking IQ tests. So my spatial intelligence just wasn't there. I can't look at something and envision how it's going to be. So this is linguistic, logical or mathematical, spatial, bodily or kinesthetics, musical, interpersonal. Both of my girls are pretty like gregarious, and they can form relationships with people. And then there's intrapersonal, which is introspection, and then naturalist intelligence. That's actually really interesting. Do you know what your child's super smart is? Interesting. And I'm sure there's things, once I look into this, I didn't know that these all existed. Like this was something that was out there. That's new to me. So that's kind of exciting. All right. So, and then there's like values that you can encourage and instill in your children here. So we're doing an unboxing. I'm trying to do the full, like, oh, look, this is exciting. So this tells you everything that's in here. We're not going to peek. And then on the back, it's things that you can do. TBK, the B Kids Go Guide. So, and you click everything that you've done. All right. now that we've gotten through that, be a pro. Activity. Find your super smarts. We all have unique intelligence or smarts. These are our gifts and the ways that we express them. Dr. Howard Gardner identified eight main intelligences or smarts that most people have. They are nature, art, music, body, self, people, and math/logic. Complete this activity. I'm actually not going to have them write on here. I'm going to have them both do their own. Take it, write it on paper or how much, whatever they can. And then I think I want to take it too. Is that weird? My mother-in-law, who is a former vice principal, whenever I get this kind of stuff, I always message her. I'm like, hey, look at this. Like, isn't this cool? You know, whatever. Anyway, right here on top we have book 1, Quest to the Queen Bee, the B.E.E. Kids. This is by Shakir McDonald. Super Smarts, Multiple Intelligence Box 1. So this is almost like I feel like it's like homeschooling. So here's your activity guide and here's your book. So, oh wow, this is definitely like 8 to 12. And it's like an actual story. Do you enjoy seeing or making artistic displays? This helps them ascertain what their super smart is. Or super smarts, I don't know, maybe you can have more than one. We'll find out as we go through the box. This is gonna be fun. I'm so excited. All right. I'm not actually gonna bother getting it back in there, it doesn't matter. All right. TBK Super Smarts Cape and Mask. Oh, so here's, because it's your super smart, you have a cape that says the B.E.E. Kids, and then it has a little mask that you put over your eyes. How cute is that? Superheroes. What is a superhero without a cape and mask? Answer, a superhero. Superheroes wear a cape and mask to hide their identity, but this cape and mask is to help you let the world know that you have super smarts. All right, next up is a utility belt. So this is like a little, like almost like a fanny pack. Every superhero has useful tools to help them use their powers. For example, Batman always carried his repelling rope, but all superheroes carry essential things with them to spark their potential and ignite their superpowers. So let's see it, right? Let's open it up and look. Oh, cool. It's like Batman, right? All right. Oh, it is yellow and black because it's the B.E.E. Kids. Okay. I'm putting it all together in my head. We're all doing this for the first time together. All right. So then we have their accessories. So it looks like there's a little lanyard in here with an ID badge, and then a slap bracelet. So that's cute. Lanyard. Super card to show the world your newest scholar skills. You'll get a new card with every box. A TBK wristband. Wear this to let the world know that you're a brilliant, educated, and empowered kid. All right, next we have, dang, there's so much stuff in here, right? Like, totally. All right, be a maker. A person that creates, produces, repurposes, or reimagines something. Activity, complete a Super Smarts Geoboard challenge. So they have this challenge with rubber bands. Reimagine the world as a better place before they can use their skills to make it better. Your challenge is to reimagine this tool using your smarts. Let's go. So that sounds like fun. I want to see that though, right? Okie dokie artichoke. So this is the tool. I don't know exactly. I guess we're going to have to read the instructions. So basically you're going to pull these rubber bands around different, you know, you can see. So there's that. And then we have some candy, some Smarties. Be a Smartie, get it? Oh my gosh, there's more candy down here. Some more Smarties, a bookmark, this bag of, this card for I Can Never Fail. I Can Never Fail. I love it. A nonchalant gnat focused on making great grades and even greater music. His strength is in music, obviously. And that's a magnet. All right, so there's that. And then there's this bag with stuff all up in it. All right, let's see. So first is, we love these. A National Geographic Kids Science Almanac. We love their books. They're just awesome. The pictures are like engaging, even for the little guys. Wildly Good Animal Reports, Ace Your Science Fair. Just very cool little facts. My daughter has one of these. It's like animal facts or something. She's literally read it 25 times. It's always like out somewhere in our house. So, a little notebook. I'm a brilliant, educated, and empowered kid. And then it has a little pen on the side so you can keep this and doodle or write down thoughts, ideas, whatever. Modeling clay, 12 sticks. I will have to keep this on my person so that my children don't get the contraband on my carpet. That is a problem in my home. All right, winning words flashcards. Ooh, this sounds fun. So these are like tough words. A small dumpling made from the meal and leavened bread at Passover, and then they give you like needle, brisket, blank, 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 and you have to figure out which one it is. Or then there's like usage. Something that is smargadine is blank, 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 and you have to play the game. That sounds fun. That's cool. I love games. You guys know that. I think I've said that on my channel. Board games are like where it's at for me. Metal puzzles. My daughter is obsessed with these. My oldest, she like actually asked for these for Christmas. Can I have like metal puzzles? So that's cool. I don't know if she has this one, but that's okay if she does, because she'll just take it to school and have all the kids in her class try to solve it. All right, then we've got, what's this? A fitness jump rope, always useful. I have like my own jump rope for working out, but the kids are always working out with me, so might be useful. Also, before you have to take a test or anything like that, you should always work out, because it gets your blood pumping, it gets your brain moving, thinking, all that stuff is processing. It's always good to work out before, I'm just rambling. All right, anyway, I like this box. All right, so then we've got some earbuds. These are always cool to take to school. Also, it says music smart. Do you enjoy rapping, singing, composing, or listening to music? There's some earbuds for you. And then finally, we have Family Feud Strikeout. It's a survey showdown. I have never known that this was a card game, and I'm so excited because I love Family Feud. Good answer. Like pumped to see them inside. Oh, they're sealed. Anyway, I want to play this with the kids. 3+ players, ages 10+. This will be fun. So this box is amazing. Like if you are really trying to get your kids like focused and like do some academics at home, maybe you homeschool, whatever, this is a good one to look into. I'm really impressed with this box. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to the B.E.E. Kids box as well, so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.